Good day. Thank you for calling BTEC Fine Dining Restaurant. This is Josh Emil Gala from Reservation Department. How may I assist you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Of course. May I please have your name?
Yes, I'm Aaron Kaluwag.
Thank you, Mr. Kaluwag. May I have your contact number in case we need to reach you?
Of course, my number is 0912345678
Thank you. May I know the date and time of your reservation, please?
I want a reservation for September 12 at 8 p.m.
Noted, Mr. Kaluwag. For how many person will the reservation be?
For 2 person.
Wonderful. Do you prefer smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Certainly. Do you have any special requests, such as dietary restrictions, wine selection, or are you celebrating an occasion?
Nothing in particular.
Thank you, Mr. Kaluwag. Please let me confirm your reservation. Reservation under Aaron Kaluwag. Contact number 0912-345-6789. Date and time, September 12, 8 p.m. Table for 2 persons. Non-smoking area. No special request. Is everything correct, Mr. Kaluwag?
Yes, perfect.
Excellent. Thank you for choosing BTEC Fine Dining Restaurant. We look forward to welcoming you on September 12, 8 p.m. Have a pleasant day. Thank you and goodbye.